Okay, if you logged out of your simulation, you need to log back in. I'm going to use Judith's login again. I'm going to put your password in that you created. And then when you sign in, it's going to take you to this page. Now, in order to get into the course, you're going to click on VB, that's virtual business, sports and entertainment. That's the simulation we're going to complete for this class. Click on there. And then your first assignment is going to be to complete the tutorial. The tutorial is basically going to teach you how to use this simulation software. So if you don't complete the tutorial, you're not going to know what to do. So go ahead and click on View Tutorial, and then I think you could maximize your screen if you want. And then basically what you're going to do is there's these little prompts that come up on the screen here, and you're just going to read what it says, and then you're going to follow directions, in this case, clicking Next. All right, so it says, welcome to the tutorial. This program will help you to better understand the views and menus found within the simulation. Next. Okay, you may end this tutorial at any time by closing the browser. So you just close out up here when you're done. Next. In Virtual Business Sports 2.0, you will manage your own football franchise and concerts that you host at your stadium. You normally begin Virtual Business Sports by completing the lessons and then move on to the project. So you're just going to keep reading these little prompts in the gold shape, and then you're going to click Next. All right, it's going to work through all of the tutorials on the left here. Okay, and when you're done, you simply X out.